Okay, so I wanted to do this quick video because I am about to fix this problem. As you can see, my Elementor website is completely broken because of some reason. I'm not sure what the reason is, but this could happen if you need to update your website, if you have to, if you installed a plugin that broke it. It's so many different reasons why your website will break. As you see, I do have my header still intact, so it's obviously just something with Elementor. So if I scroll down, this is, my portfolio website right now. And like I said, this can happen for many reasons, but let me show you in this video how to fix it. First thing I'm gonna do is go to the dashboard. I'm gonna scroll down to Elementor and I'm gonna go to Tools. Wait, actually, before we do that, let's go over here to the updates because I see I have 16 updates, so it may be something that needs to be updated there. So I'm gonna just start off with Elementor and Elementor Pro. I'm going to update these plugins. Okay, now that this updated, I'm gonna go back over here and I'm gonna refresh and see if that fixed it. And no, that did not fix it. So now I'm gonna go back. So now I'm going to go back to my dashboard, and again I'm going to go to Elementor, I'm going to go to Tools, and I'm going to regenerate CSS in data. So I'm going to click this, I'm going to go back, I'm going to refresh it, still nothing. I'm also going to sync the library. This one takes a minute sometimes. Oh, I also forgot to save the settings. I'm tripping. Y'all, make sure you guys save the settings after you actually click one of those. Make sure you go ahead and save. So now I'm going to go back and I'm going to refresh. Still nothing. And at this point, if it's still broken after regenerating the CSS, you might have to remember if you just added any plugins. If you just added a plugin, go and deactivate that plugin and see if that would fix it. Now, for my example or my situation, I have not installed any new plugins. I honestly haven't did anything on my website. So I'm going to go about mine another way. And let me show you how I'm going to do that. Okay, so I had to switch over to a voiceover, but as you guys can see, I had to actually go through the pages. So right now I'm on the pages and I see that my home page or my front page doesn't have the edit with Elementor button. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open up the WordPress editor because in most cases, it just means that this particular Elementor page just been converted back to the WordPress editor. And as we see, this is exactly what I'm viewing on my website right now. Everything's aligned to the left. There's no visual. So I see that I do now have to convert this particular page back to an Elementor page. So how I'm going to do that is just click the Edit with Elementor button at the top. That's another good indication that it's obviously not with Elementor anymore. If you go to the pages and you see the big blue button Edit with Elementor right there, obviously the page has been converted back. So as you see, once Elementor open, I actually see my page as it's supposed to be. I see all of my stuff, my design, my CSS, and all that good stuff. So the kicker to this is you won't see the update or publish button immediately. So you want to make some type of changes. So you see, I just put a little space in the name right here, the name header. And now I actually see the update button. It's pink, meaning it works and I can update and publish the site. Because the thing is, you want to make sure that you actually republish the Elementor page layout to your website. If you don't publish it, it will still look the same. Now I'm just going to preview it to make sure. And indeed, it is back intact. So all I had to do was re-put my website homepage back to a Elementor page and go into Elementor, make a small little tweak that's not really a tweak, and re-update or publish it to the live site. And that's pretty much all you have to do, guys. If you're dealing with one page, that's all you have to do. Now, I said that it could happen for many reasons, so this was just one of those reasons. If you guys want more behind the scenes of website design or my life as a website designer, how I do things, be sure to join my Discord community, and I will catch you guys in the next one.